Hey guys, Jeannie here. I am going to show you something that is so fascinating to me. I am going to show you the power of Young Living's Thieves Cleaner. Now it comes in a bottle like this, concentrated bottle of about 14.4 fluid ounces. It is completely plant-based. It's infused with essential oils. There are no harsh chemicals, no added parabens or anything like that, nothing toxic in the cleaner. But I would like to demonstrate for you something that I recently discovered. But before I demonstrate that, I want to show you just how easy it is to actually make your Thieves Cleaner. So I don't know if you remember, but in 2016, we had some massive floods here in Louisiana. And a friend of mine and my mom and a few other people helped make these Thieves Cleaners for people whose homes had flooded in our area. And we got about 30 bottles, and I believe this is a 32-ounce bottle that is $1 at the dollar store. We've got about 30 of these made from just this one cleaner. Now you only need one capful of the cleaner to make your Thieves Cleaner. I do have here some empty old Thieves Cleaner bottles. This is the updated one. It's nice and white and pretty. And so I'm going to show you how to make it super fast. So I'm just going to tilt it down so that you can see. This is the empty bottle. And I'm going to take my tiny funnel just so I don't spill it, and one capful of the Thieves Cleaner. The directions for this Thieves Cleaner is actually on the back of this bottle. Let me put the lid back on. It's actually on the back of this bottle. There are cleaning applications is 30 part water to 1 part cleaner. Heavy degreasing is 15 to 1. Light degreasing is 50 to 1. And glass can either be 50 or 100 to 1. So this little bottle is going to last you a very long time. So now that I've added the Thieves Cleaner in it, I just have a pitcher of water here. And for those of you that already use Thieves Cleaner, when your bottle is empty, don't throw it away, because I'm going to show you how to add a sprayer to the lid of this, and then you have your very own spray bottle. So again, this bottle was empty, and I just added one capful of the Thieves Cleaner, and now I'm just going to fill it up with just regular tap water is what I use. You can use distilled water, but this is the only cleaner in my home, so we actually go through this very quickly. So here's one that I already trimmed. It's just a regular spray bottle that came off of some old cleaning products that I kept, and so there you go, ready to go Thieves Cleaner right here at your fingertips. So now I'm going to demonstrate for you guys what I recently discovered. So let me just tilt this camera down just a little bit, and let me clean up my area, and let me show you what I have here. I have just a little shot glass, an empty shot glass of water for my experiment here. Let me wipe up my counter really quick. Okay, spilled some water. I have these Pro Clean Hygiena test tubes, and this is what they use in the restaurant. So I'm going to pull 2 out of here, and these need to be kept refrigerated, by the way. So I'm going to pull 2 out here, and I'm actually going to place them in this other glass just so that they stand straight up. I have Thieves Cleaner already that I use in my kitchen, already pre-made, with 1 capful of water, capful of Thieves Cleaner to water right here. And let me move this out the way. I also have a very disgusting pork chop that I'm actually going to take out because I just pulled it out of my freezer with a little bit of water. So I'm going to put that right there. Those who know me know I can't stand to touch meat, so I am going to use the paper towel for that. So this area of the counter is clean, other than the fact that I just spilled a little bit of water on here when I was demonstrating the Thieves Cleaner. So I am actually going to take this disgusting pork chop right here. I don't have any chicken, otherwise I would use chicken. And I'm just going to rub it along my surface counter like this. Super yucky, right? Okay. And then I'm going to take a napkin, and I'm just going to kind of sort of clean it up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to dump that in my sink. All right. And now I'm going to test it with the swabs that's used in restaurants and other areas to detect bacteria. The directions say to dip it in the water first to get the Q-tip moist, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to swab, and it tells you to swab for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, before I put this in here, I want to show you this right here. The darker the purple, the worse. And green, a light green, is no yucky bacteria is found. So I'm actually going to insert it like this. I'm going to snap it. And then this is called, some of the people call it broth, but you know, really it's got a fancy term. And you pop this, and this is actually the chemical used to test the bacteria and other yucky things. And then you squeeze it in, and then you give it a shake. 5-second shake. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and as you can see, it is already starting to turn. It's going to turn. The directions say to hold it for 10 minutes, so I'm going to put this in my cup. Okay, then I'm going to take my Thieves Cleaner, and I'm going to just spray this area right here. Hold on, let me get some paper towels. And I'm going to just clean it up ever so slightly. All right. Now remember, it's just 1 capful of Thieves Cleaner in my cleaning bottle. And I'll give it 1 more squirt. Now, I know I'm not going to stay on here for the full 10 minutes, so I will pull the swab out as soon as I'm done with this one. And then you're going to see just how purple it's going to turn out. Okay, I'm going to, and the swab is in the cup. Okay, I'm going to test the clean one now. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to dip it in my water, because that's what the directions say, to get it moist. And then I'm going to swab the counter for another 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then I'm going to put this in, snap it, and then I'm going to release what's called the broth, which I know is not scientific terms, but that's what people have called it. And this is actually the chemical. And you shake it for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. And then the directions tell you to set it for 10 minutes, but I'm not going to wait the full 10 minutes. So here is the one that I just swabbed. And as you can see, it's already turning bright, bright green. Look at that. Wow, already bright green. So remember, on the little thing here I showed you, purple, dark purple is the absolute worst, then purple, and then there's like a gray, and then the green. The green is the cleanest. So there you go. And that was within seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to pull out the one that I just swabbed with. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see that? Yuck. That's yuck in there. So compare and contrast. It hasn't even been 10 minutes. It's only been maybe like 1 minute. So this is the one that had the pork chop on it, and this is the one that had the Thieves Cleaner after I sprayed it with the pork chop on there. So a dark, dark purple, which means the worst, yucky stuff, and green means that it's the cleanest. So I will set these out for 10 minutes. I'll take a picture of them and post them in 10 minutes. But the power of Thieves Cleaner, let me put this up just a little bit. Plant-based, essential oil infused Thieves Cleaner. It comes, I think it's like $22 for the bottle. But the bottle's going to last you a very long time. Again, we've made up to, I think, between 26 and 30 of these when the floods came, and we gave them out to people whose homes had flooded. But again, if you have empty bottles or any type of empty bottles, you can make your own spray. Okay, any questions or comments, let me know. If you already use Thieves Cleaner, comment below. Oh, one other thing I wanted to tell you is this actually smells like Christmas. It's got a cinnamony, Christmas-like scent to it, and I can tell you every time I mop, everybody always tells me how wonderful it smells. Every time I clean with the Thieves Cleaner, everyone always tells me how wonderful it smells. So, questions or comments, put them below for me. I'll put the information on the video of where I got the swabs, just in case you want to demonstrate for anybody else. I'll tell you where I got the swabs. I'll put my member number in from Young Living, where you can sign up if you want to be a member, or if you prefer not to sign up and be a member, you can always be a retail customer, but just remember you will be paying retail price, not wholesale price. So with that being said, with this experiment, yuck. All right, guys, thanks.